Hi, this video is about how to change cornice and skirting design of the room. As you already know that we can choose to show or hide cornice skirting in the show menu. To change the style of the cornice or skirting, you have to switch to the 2D view first, then click in the room. You should see the editing space window on the right. Then you may switch to the 3D view to preview the change of cornice or skirting style instantly. To change the cornice style, just click on the image next to the style and browse for the new one, double click to confirm. To change material, click the image, browse for new material and double click to confirm. To resize, input new size and press enter. Same steps apply to the skirting below. That's the end of the video. Thank you.